have explained you this is about the architecture, means the folder structure of web-based application. Now, let's enter into servlets. What do you mean by servlet? Servlet. What do you mean by servlet? What do you mean by JDBC? JDBC. What do you mean by Java? Yesterday I have told you what do you mean by Java, what do you mean by JDBC? Tell me. Yesterday itself I have told you.
Java is an API.
Yes. Java is an API. Then what do you mean by JDBC?
This
Is an API, right? Then what do you mean by servlet? It is also an API. Okay? Servlet is an API. Now, let me show you the API. Servlet API. Now, before that, Java, first of all, it has divided into two APIs. One is JSC API, and next is JEE API, JEE API. Okay? JSC API consists of standalone application. Standalone means along with the core Java. I'm saying you along with the core Java. And JDBC. Okay? Now JEE is nothing but web-based applications. Web-based applications. Okay? APIs are two types. Both are Java APIs only. This is JSC, core Java API, and advanced Java. We call it as, right? Advanced Java and core Java. In the same way, there is nothing but JSC and JEE API. Got it? I'm going to show you what is the JEE API, where it is also present. Okay. Let's go here. Computer, drive. Now we can freely download the APIs. Don't worry, you can download freely APIs. Now you might waste time, that's why I've downloaded it first. Java software, see here. JEE API. What an API consists of? What an API consists of? Can you tell me? Please tell me what an API consists of. Inside API, what it consists of? I've told you yesterday. Sergio, what an API consists of? No response. That means you're not preparing. What an API consists of? Okay, APIs are two types, public and private API, but I'm inside. Proper. Okay, that was the two types of APIs, man. Okay. Inside an API, what it consists of? Inside an API. Inside an API, what it consists of? What about Sergio? Sorry, Yuan, Hanky. What an API consists of?
application, I think it was.
No, not way to install. See, I'm opening the API. It consists of packages. Okay?
Oh,
Inside the package, it consists of some other package, interfaces, classes, exceptions. Right? Yesterday I told you, right? So,
yes.
if you don't remember, if you are not reading, it's not my mistake. It's your mistake. Okay? That's right. I got a complaint, sir. They are saying that nobody is performing well in the technical screening. Really, very bad, very bad. If this continues, they'll give you the chance only from today. From today, okay. From today, I'll give you from tomorrow. I will take technical screenings for you also. Everyone means not they think that practically I'm going to ask you to do the program. Everyone, I'll take some separate session and I'll ask you to do the programs. Everyone, okay. Let's see tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Now, an APA consists of what an APA consists of. Just now I've showed you what an APA consists of. What is an APA? What does it consist of? Tell me, man, what does an APA consist of? Packages. Good. In this, I'm going to tell you the important packages. Okay? Important packages. Java, Xdots, class interfaces. Yeah. Okay. Now, first I'm going to show you the important packages in this, which we are going to use. Java Servlet. Okay? And Java Servlet.http. These two packages are important. Servlets, not in JSP. I'm telling you in servlets. Okay?
Yes.
Now, let's see. Important packages. The first one, Java Servlet.
Java
Second
Servlet.
one, Java Servlet.http. These are the two important packages. Okay. Now, the same way, what are the Java actually? Now I'm going to tell you the most important interfaces and things. Classes, which are going to be okay.
Important interfaces.
And classes. And Java Servlet. The first one, I'm saying you the first one, Java Servlet. The first one interface. The first one is like Servlet.
Servlet.
This is capital. We call it the standards. It's an interface. Second one is Servlet request.
Servlet request.
Third one, Servlet response. Fourth one is Servlet config. One is Servlet context. Okay, now classes. The important classes. GPNP, RIC.
Important classes.
Java server. The important classes. Okay. Today we are going to run the first web-based applications and some more also we are going to run. Don't worry. I'm going to teach you and what we have to use also I'm going to tell you. Okay, don't worry. Now next. Important interface and class in Java Servlet.http. So, okay, in this, the first one I'm going to teach you now. Oh shit. The first one I can select interfaces. The first one is HTTP servlet request. Second one is HTTP servlet response. Okay. Third one is HTTP session. Okay. Now classes. HTTP servlet. Now, if you know about these things, then I can say that servlet is over. The important thing is servlet. Okay? Don't worry, everything is given in this book. Everything, each and everything is given in this book. If you want to see here, controller, controller. Yeah. SVRELP stuff. Servlets. Okay? Everything is given. See, standalone applications. What I have told you today, there is a logic, Tomcat, was everything I have told you, right? The same thing. Initial request line, initial response line, blank line, and each and everything in detail it is given. Then go through this book today. Don't delay even in 1 day also. 1 day if you delay, then you're losing everything. Okay? See here, everything they have given. Procedure to create a war file. War file also they give. To create. Okay? See here. Web.xml. Okay? Now, let's create the first web-based application. Okay? So, actually, what do you mean by servlet? Servlet is a Java program which provides implementation of servlet interface directly or indirectly. Here, what do you mean by servlet? We can say directly a servlet is an interface. Okay, what do you mean by servlet? Servlet is an API, servlet is an interface. Okay, okay. Please tell me yes or no.
It's something what?
Yes. Now, let's go to the Java Servlet. Yes, I went inside the Java Servlet. Now, servlet is an interface. Now, what an interface
Servlet
consists
is
of?
an interface.
Inside the interface, what it consists of? An interface, what does it consist of?
Methods without implementation.
Methods without implementation. Yes, Sergio. Those are nothing but abstract methods, right? Abstract methods. See here. These are nothing but the methods. There are totally 5 methods are available. Init, service, destroy, get servlet config, get servlet info. Okay? Perfect, Sergio. It's perfect. And it consists of these things. Now, let's develop the servlet. Let's develop this web-based application. Let us only develop a web-based application. Now, class first servlet. It's first servlet. FIR is the first SERVL first servlet. Extends EXTEND extends. Sorry, it's implements, right? IMPLEMENT implements servlet interface. Now, if I'm implementing the servlet interface, every method I have to override, right? Every method. Whatever the method it's having here, we have to override these methods, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes. Now, let me override all these methods now. It will be a live public. Okay. See, server. Let me do one thing first. Let me create a server config. CON config. Yes, I'll tell you why. Don't worry. Regarding this config. FIR first SPRELEP, that is nothing but the constructor. Okay. Okay. This is the constructor. SYST system dot out dot PRINTLN we are in constructor. Okay, we are in constructor. Okay, now next init method service and destroy not access. The method what I'm writing is public void init method. It's nothing but the servlet config. SVRDL is the servlet CONFIG config CONFIG. That is nothing but I'm initializing the servlet config object. That is nothing but this servlet config object I'm initializing in the constructor. Okay. Now see this. This dot config is equal to config. Got it? What I'm trying to tell you. Please tell me yes or no. Are you able to understand? Okay. Yes. Now the first method I have overridden init. This one I have override. Then next, let me override service. Okay. Now public void service of HTTP servlet. Oh, sorry, servlet request. Comma servlet response servlet response. Okay. Okay. Are you able to understand? Now it's an abstract method which I'm overriding. Okay. Just see what I'm trying to do. We are in service method. That's right. That's why this system dot out dot print we are in service method. Okay, we are in service method. I have written service. And next, destroy. Lic public void destroy. So dot outdoor print we are in destroy. Okay, I have written something destroy. Then other two methods are also left. Those are nothing but servlet get servlet config and get servlet info. Okay, see here it returns servlet config object. Now let me write lic public servlet config get servlet config. See everything manual I'm writing it. Yes, ma'am. Sergio, I'll show you. I'll write everything. I'll show you. Sergio, don't worry. I'll use Eclipse only, but for understanding purpose, I'm showing this. That's all. You know, at that time in the previous, we used to develop not in IDEs, in the manually we used to write the program. Not now, fast. But still, I have the capacity of writing only in notepads. Still, I use notepads. I can write notepads also. Better than ID, I can use notepads. But anyhow, I write in notepads, but this is the first program. That's what I'm doing it in notepad. Okay, so that you can understand easily. Nothing, man. Just I'm overriding it. That's servlet config. Inside that, what I have to pass? That's servlet config. No, nothing. Now here I have to return config object, right? R2 R return config. CONFIG config. Now lic public string get servlet info. Get servlet info. Okay. Now let me do this. Return string. That is nothing but something you can do like first servlet. FIREST first servlet. Okay. I have overridden every method now. First servlet, make service, destroy, get servlet config, get servlet info, right? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes. Now we have to compile the program now. How to compile the program? Just see this simple directly we can compile. Now let's name the program as first servlet. First servlet? Yes. It's first servlet. FIRST. First servlet dot Java. Okay. See, I have done here. Now I'm compiling the program. Just see how am I compiling the program and just see command from the drive. Mm, let's select multiple batch. Go Java. Now Java C first server. If I are just first servlp, it throws an exception saying that see here how many it will be thrown. Cannot find simple. That's nothing but we have to import the package. Import Java x dot servlet dot star. Okay, but still I'm showing you, that's what I'm saying you, how. Where this implementation is consisting of, where this all implementation classes consist of. Where means these implementation classes, where it will be available, but not in Java. I'm not telling it will not be available in Java. It will not be available in Java. These implementation classes are nothing but those are available in the server. Got it? Those are available in the server. Now I'll show you the main implementation class. See this and leave it, no problem. See here, open files, Apache software 6.0, lib, and servlet-api.jar. Okay, this is the most important jar. Okay, yes. Now core Java, control B. I have done servlet-api.jar. Now let me set the class path. Set class path equal to servlet-api.jar. Yes. Did it compile? Yes. Now what I have to do means, now let me copy this dot class file. Now let me copy this dot class file. Where is the dot class file? See here. Copy, and I have created a see this. I have created a Windows applications. Yeah. In this project, see this. I have created a project, right? The SAP, the banner. I'm pasting in the classes folder. Okay. Okay. Now we have compiled the servlet and we have pasted into the classes folder. Okay. Okay. Now the third step, what we are going to do is here. Now we have to configure that class in the web.xml file. Okay. We have to configure that class in the web.xml file. How I have to configure? There are a few tags which you have to remember every time. This is must and should. See this. Web app, web, web app, servlet,